What little girl wouldn't love getting this gorgeous fairy quilt? And what quilter wouldn't love getting it at 20% off? Oh my goodness, would you look at this? This is what? Morning Moon Fairies by Robert Kaufman, and look at this beautiful panel print. I mean, I can't even describe how gorgeous this is. This is simply beautiful. I'm just going to show you a few of the fairies. Here's one that's riding, oh, she's beautiful. Up a little bit. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm going to sell this to you guys. This is too pretty. And there's another one. There's one riding a bird. There's one riding a butterfly. There we go. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. So we're going to do that, the name keeps escaping me, the Morning Moon Fairies quilt as a kit. And let me show you the rest of the fabric. There's a dark blue with stars on it, sort of celestial, that's the background. And then look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm really not kidding about not giving you any of this. This is beautiful. This would be a beautiful art quilt for your wall. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is the sashing around the blocks, and it's just a panel, so we're not talking about a lot of stitching here. So let's go this way and look here. You guys are lucky ducks to be able to get this with a discount, because this is too pretty. So make sure and click on the link on the bottom, because these kits are going to go slam bang out of here. This quilt finishes to 57 by 72, and the kit includes all fabric for the top, the digitally printed panel, and the binding, as well as a free pattern. Normal price is $89.99, but order before May 15th and your cost is just $71.99.